are working on recreating the Shachihoko in Blender that we already did in Tinkercad and SculptGL. The reason that we're doing this is we've already built up some skills with 3D modeling. We want to be able to transfer them from Tinkercad and SculptGL into Blender. So it's not busy work doing a project again. What it actually is doing the same thing and seeing how the same type of skills can be applied in a different program. Key skills that I need to see out of you today is I need to see that you can use booleans to remove part of an object, that you can use a boolean modifier to combine objects, and that you can use sculpt mode to smooth the boundary between the two combined objects so it looks like it came from a single object. And all of this is going to go to our 30 level grade 12 credits in 3D printing.